Good morning to all the students belonging to class first year and class second year or 12th RS Inter College Kanpur. I have taught you simple sentence and compound sentence. These are including in the synthesis chapter. After compound sentence, I have to teach you complex sentence. What is complex sentence? In complex sentence, there should be one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause or clauses. So, principal clause gives a full sense. It has full sense in itself. It is complete in itself. But subordinate clause depends on the principal clause to give its full sense. Without principal clause, subordinate clause gives no meaning. It is incomplete. That's why it is called also dependent clause. So in complex sentence, there should be at least one principal clause, at least one subordinate clause. Subordinate clause may be more than one sentence. And subordinate clauses start with the subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are few of them I have mentioned here. That, what, who, which, whose, whom, where, when, how much, how many, why, then, so that, if, because. So these are the subordinate conjunctions, and with the help of these means all the sentences which are subordinate start with one of these words or the conjunctions. For example, he said school was closed on Sunday. He said it is principal clause. School was closed on Sunday. So we have to make it into complex sentence. There are two sentences and they are two simple sentences, different sentences. So we have made these sentences into complex sentence. It will be, he said that school was closed on Sunday. So subordinate clause starts with the conjunction that. Do you know someone has stolen my pen? So do you know it is the principal clause. And we have to make subordinate clause by using the subordinate conjunctions. So it will be, do you know who has stolen my pen? It is interrogative word, but whenever it is used in the subordinate clause, it becomes conjunction. It works for conjunction, and that's why it is not included in the interrogative sentence, but into assertive sentence. Where is the post office situated? Please tell me. Where is the post office situated? Please tell me. There are two sentences. It is principal clause. Please tell me. It gives a full sense. So it will be, please tell me where the post office is situated. So where the post office is situated, it is subordinate clause because it depends on the principal clause to give its full meaning. So it is incomplete until the principal clause is added. I do not know. Ramesh lives somewhere. There are two sentences. These two sentences are simple sentences and we have to join them and make them into one sentence that is called complex sentence. So I do not know, it is principal clause. Where Ramesh lives, it is subordinate clause. Principal clause plus subordinate clause equal to complex sentence. So I do not know where Ramesh lives. Kanpur is a big city. All know it. So Kanpur is a big city. All know it. So we may change the places of the sentences also to make the complex sentence. Means last sentence may be written in at the place of the first sentence, and first sentence may also be written at the place of the last sentence. So that has been done here. Kanpur is a big city. All know it. All know that Kanpur is a big city. It is complex sentence because it is started with the conjunction, subordinate conjunction that. Ramesh is the best player of our college. It is only one sentence, simple sentence. And by one sentence we have to make two sentences, principal clause and subordinate clause. So, no other boy of our college is as good as Ramesh is. So it is complex sentence because there is comparison. So comparison is also done in adverb clause. That's why it is subordinate clause. I do not know he reads in my college. So in any college. I do not know he reads in any college. I do not know in which college he reads. In which it is subordinate conjunctions. So it is subordinate clause. Second clause is subordinate. First clause is the principal clause. I do not know. It gives a full sense. And this sentence gives a full sense when the principal clause is also added. So it will be I do not know in which college he reads. Next, what is he doing? You do not know. So you do not know what he is doing. You do not know, it is principal clause and it is subordinate clause. Starting with the subordinate conjunctions what? So complex sentence will be you do not know what he is doing. When in complex sentence interrogative word as a conjunction is used, then the verb, whether it may be the helping verb or main verb, is used after subject, not just after the word like which, who, when, where, how. After just these words, the helping verb is not used. Helping verb is used after the subject in complex sentence. So it is complex sentence, not interrogative sentence. That as you do not know what he is doing. Is helping verb, doing main verb. Helping verb is used after subject, not after what. Because it is conjunctions, not interrogative word. That's why to make complex sentence, after that conjunction, after subject, verb, helping verb and main verb are used. In the same way, I cannot say he may come. I cannot say that he may come. I cannot say. Principal clause that he may come. Subordinate clause. So that's why it also has become complex sentence. He works hard, he may pass this year. So he may pass this year because he works hard. It is complex sentence because is also conjunction pertaining to subordinate conjunction. Subordinate clause. So it is subordinate clause, it is principal clause. Because he works hard, it is subordinate clause. He may pass this year, it is principal clause. That's why it has become the complex sentence. There were people, I do not know their number. It will be I do not know how many people were there. It is complex sentence. How many? How many is the subordinating conjunctions. That's why The subordinate clause starts with the subordinating conjunctions like how many. So how many people were there? It is complex. It is subordinate clause. I do not know. It is the principal clause. The principal clause plus subordinate clause equal to complex sentence. In the same way, this is the man. He helped me. So this is the man who helped me. It is subordinate clause and it is the principal clause. That's why it has also become the complex sentence. I did not attend the meeting. You do not know the reason. I did not attend the meeting. You do not know reason. There are two sentences, and each sentence is simple sentence. They are separate, but we have to combine them and make them or change into the complex sentence. So that it will be, you do not know why he did not attend the meeting. You do not know, it is principal clause. Why he did not attend the meeting, it is subordinate clause. Principal clause plus subordinate clause equal to complex sentence. The man was thief. The police arrested that man. So it is principal clause, and both of them are simple clause at this time because they are separate. And with the two simple sentences, we have to change these sentences into complex sentence. So we shall make, the police arrested the man who was thief. Who was thief, it is subordinate clause. The police arrested the man, it is principal clause. So in this way, the police arrested the man who was thief. So thus we have studied that to change the simple sentences into complex sentence, it is necessary that principal clause plus subordinate clause should be there. And the subordinate clause starts with the subordinating conjunctions. As I have already told you, the subordinating conjunctions are that, what, who, which, whose, whom, where, when, how much, how many, why, then, so that, it, because. So these are the subordinating conjunctions. So you have to use these words to make the complex sentences. So for homework, you have to do from the synthesis chapter the complex sentences exercise. First exercise of complex sentences you have to solve yourself, and at once you have to write down in the fair copy the complex sentences which I have explained you, which I have told you. You have to write down just now. Then take out your pen, open your copy and start to write down the complex sentence just now. Thank you very much.